Everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to speed up your REDMI Note 9 Pro. A simple step often overlooked: restarting your phone. What it does, it cleans up the memory and clear processes. To do so, hold the power button on your phone and tap reboot. Here tap to reboot again, and now what it does is, as I said, clear processes are debugging the system and frees up the memory. If you notice lag, you can do so. Many temporary slowdowns disappear after a reboot. Now our phone is turned on, we can unlock that, and now I do recommend to close the background apps. So let me open some applications to show you how to clean them. For example, these 4 or 5. And now we have to tap here this square button here. Here, wait a moment, we have to tap this X button to clean all the applications. As you can see, we have 589 megabytes cleared, and it's very nice. I do recommend to do so on your phone. Apart from that, I do recommend to clear cache and junk files. Tap this square button here and tap cleaner here. Now your phone is being scanned, and here, as you can see, we have zeros in memory. We can tap, wait a moment, here, clean up, and it should work for you. Apart from that, you can disable or remove unnecessary applications, which is the bloatware, and this phone has it very much. For example, here we do have Netflix, here we do have Amazon Shopping, Facebook, WPS Office, LinkedIn, eBay, and AliExpress. To do so, at first hold your finger on the application. For example, here we do have AliExpress, and tap remove. Here, remove. It will be removed from the home screen. I'll show you in a moment how to completely get rid of these applications. So, if you have them removed from here, you can now go to the settings, scroll down to the applications, go to manage applications, and here search for these applications. You can search it in here. For example, I remember Amazon. Here, as you can see, we have Amazon Shopping. We have to tap that and tap uninstall here. We have to tap OK, and that's what we have to do. And we have to do it with all the applications that are necessary on our phone. I don't recommend to do this with the phone pre-installed applications, like for example system settings. Apart from that, we can turn off the battery saver when we need performance. So here, as you can see, we do have, wait a moment, something called the battery saver, and we have a blue, like that, or green, or yellow. You can just tap that and disable it. If you need performance, of course, but because battery saver saves the battery, and it's very nice. And apart from that, you can reduce interface animations. So as you could hear and see in a moment, we have to at first enable developer options. So open settings. Here now we have to tap about phone, and here we have to tap the MIUI version 7 times. Now we are the developer, and here we have to go back, scroll down to the additional settings which are here, and here you should see developer options. Tap this, and here you have to find the drawing rendering section and set window animation scale to 0 or even or maybe 0.25 if you want to have the animation still. Networking, HD audios, inputs, drawing. Here, as you can see, we have window animation scale. We can tap that and tap off, animation off, and animation off. These three options. And after that we can check the third-party launchers or optimizer applications. If you have some boosters application or something like that, just uninstall this application. And as last resort, just do a factory reset. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.